Transform your video calls from grainy to glorious by unlocking the professional webcam power of your Nikon Z6 II. First, ensure your Nikon Z6 II is powered on and set to movie shooting mode for optimal webcam functionality. Navigate to the Setup menu and locate the USB power delivery option. Ensure this is turned on to provide consistent power to your camera. Next, go to the HDMI settings. We need to ensure the HDMI device control is set to off and, importantly, the HDMI output mode is set to auto. Now, connect your Nikon Z6 II to your computer using a high-quality USB-C cable. It's crucial to use a cable that supports data transfer and power delivery. On your computer, download and install Nikon's official webcam utility software. Available for both Windows and macOS. Once installed, launch the utility. Your Nikon Z6 II should now be recognized automatically by the utility. If not, double-check your USB connection and ensure the camera is in movie mode. Open your preferred video conferencing application, such as Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet, and in the video settings, select Nikon Z6 II as your camera source. You'll immediately see the superior image quality from your Z6 II. For advanced control, you can access Nikon's webcam utility settings within your application to adjust things like exposure, white balance, and even apply picture controls. Enjoy crystal clear video, shallow depth of field, and the creative freedom that comes with using a dedicated camera as your webcam. Your online presence will never be the same.